Inventory tag matches the manifest. Sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. Plasma torches are ready.
A small, diamond-tipped coring tool automatically extracts a minute sample cylinder, generating a brief shower of non-
A high-intensity blue laser scanner sweeps across the structural block, creating a real-time 3D map.
A structural block is transferred by an immense gantry crane into the first massive 5-axis CNC milling machine.
The core of the missile pylon is digitally tagged and inventoried by a scanning drone, confirming its status as ready for the next phase of hardening.
The structural skeleton of the Process A pylon body is loaded into a massive vacuum heat treatment furnace, designed.
The ceramic cutting tool performs the final surface pass, creating a mirror-like finish on the structure.
A robotic inspection arm meticulously verifies the depth and parallelism of every channel using fiber optic cameras and laser rangefinders. As we leave the structural reinforcement components behind, the focus shifts entirely to the precise fabrication of the actuator casings and electronic interfaces.
The 0.6 meter Process B alloy block is loaded into a high precision multi-axis turning center.
The completed actuator casing, designated Process B, undergoes final packaging.
Pylon structure A, stored, ready. Actuator module B, stored, ready. Initiate final assembly protocol.
The finished missile pylon is moved to the final packaging station, secured within a custom-molded polymer crate.
All right, bring it down slowly.
Clear on the left.
Steady now, easy on the hydraulics.
After securing the pylon, we move to Process B, the actuator casing. This interface port is essential for the electronic connection.
Bringing her up slowly. Clear on the left.
Steady now. Watch the hydraulics.
Alignment confirmed, engaging the lock.
Torque set to 500 Newton meters.
Confirmation on the final fastener.
The massive R-37 is loaded onto the pylon. The structural reinforcement is confirmed as the actuator casing establishes a digital handshake. Focus here on the actuator casing, designated Process B, showcasing the critical electronic interfacing and structural integrity.
The camera stabilizes on the missile pylon assembly, confirming that the actuator casing, Process B, is seamlessly integrated and performing flawlessly.
Target locked. Weapons free.